Hello everyone, and this is Miss Joyner here with your science lesson for today. Before you got out of school, you were working on weather. So we want to start there again, and some of this may be information that you've already learned, but we want to make sure that you understand everything that's going on with a quick review. First, let's talk about who a meteorologist is. A meteorologist is a person who studies weather. You might see on the news every night that a meteorologist will go over the weather for the week and talk about low fronts and high fronts and different information that you need to know to prepare for weather for the next day. Just remember that a meteorologist is a person who studies weather. So to begin your first assignment, we want you to be able to start keeping a weather journal. If you will, click on the video and watch the video about weather journaling, just making sure you're paying attention to the key details in the video, and then we'll continue on. Now that you've watched the video on how to record in a weather journal, ours are going to be a little bit different. In your Seesaw app, you will have a calendar that is posted that you will use to record the daily weather. You are going to use these 5 weather phenomenons or weather happenings that you will be able to record on your calendar. Overcast, partly cloudy, snowy, rainy, and sunny. On your calendar, you are to include the temperature, a picture of weather from above using one of these 5 pictures that we have posted, and add this to your Seesaw. You're going to do this each day for 2 weeks, April 12th through April 24th. Now I want you to be able to find out what the temperature is so that you can add it to your calendar each day. You are going to use this link called weather.com. I'm going to pull it up for you to show exactly what you need to do. On weather.com, you are going to first click on that link, and you want to make sure that we are recording in the correct city. So let's make sure that we have typed Raleigh here. You'll see that I already have Raleigh here, so I'm going to click on Raleigh. When I click on Raleigh, it immediately brings up the daily weather. I may have to scroll down a little bit, and I can see that the current temperature right now is 66 degrees and it's cloudy. So that's the temperature that I would record on my calendar along with the picture of, let me go back to our lesson, of what kind of temperature I can actually see outside, or what kind of weather I can actually see outside. Is it overcast? Is it partly cloudy? Is it snowy? Is it rainy? Or is it sunny? This is what you're going to do for the next 2 weeks. So remember to record it on your calendar each day, and I'll see you on Wednesday for your next science lesson. Have a great day.